In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI in Google Sheets. This is a simple workflow that lets you generate text directly inside a spreadsheet based on the data you already have in your cells. It is especially useful for tasks like drafting messages, summarizing notes, or creating consistent text at scale. Start by opening your Google Sheet. You can use a new blank spreadsheet or an existing file. Once you are inside the sheet, click into the cell where you want the AI-generated result to appear. It helps to choose an empty cell that sits next to or in line with the data you want the AI to reference, so your sheet stays organized. Next, click into the formula area and type the word highlight. This is simply to place your cursor and confirm you are actively editing the cell content. You will now access the built-in Gemini feature in Sheets. Look for the option that mentions summarizing, categorizing, or generating text tailored to your data with Gemini. Click that option to open the AI assistance tools. Now you will start using the AI function directly in the cell. Click where you can enter a formula and select or type =AI to begin. When you click AI from the suggestions, Google Sheets will recognize that you are using the AI function and will guide you with the proper structure. At this point, you will add a prompt that tells the AI what you want. Use the prompt shown in the example, write a thank you email, and personalize it to the specific gift that was received. Then reference the data range A2, C2. This range is important because it tells the AI which cells contain the details it should use for personalization. Make sure the range matches the row of data you are working with and that the information in those cells is clear and specific. To get a better feel for how prompts can be written, click Examples. This area provides sample prompts and patterns you can reuse. After viewing the examples, type in Highlight again to continue editing your prompt area, and then click on Highlight once more to confirm the cell is selected and ready. Once everything is set, the AI output will generate directly in the cell, and you can copy it down to apply it to additional rows if your sheet contains multiple entries. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.